Hi guys, welcome to KPSC Home. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ KCT chemistry key answers ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay guys, it's unofficial key answers. If any answer is wrong in this video, please comment it below the right answers, which will help other students in finding out the correct answers. Okay, first question: copper is extracted from copper pyrite by auto reduction. Option D is correct one. Next question: look for a keyword. Okay, potassium ethyl. For this question the correct answer is option B. Okay, next one: sulfide ore. For this question the correct answer is option A. Okay, look for the keyword and check your and verify your answers. Okay, next question: aqueous solution of a salt. For this question the correct answer is option A. Next one: bond angle in pH 4. For this question the correct answer is option A. Next one: incorrectly matched pair is. Here the option is B. Okay, next question: phosphorus pentachloride. For this the correct answer is option A. Okay, you just look for the keyword. Identify the set of paramagnetic ions among the following. For this one the correct answer is option C. Next one: how many moles of acidified? For this one the answer is option A, 2. Okay, next for this question: aqueous medium. For this one the option A is the correct one. Okay, next one: the coordination number of Fe and CO. This one, for this one the correct answer is 6 and 4. Okay, next question: number of stereosomers exhibited by. For this question option D, 3 is correct. Okay, next question: give the IUPAC name of. For this question the correct answer is option D. Okay, just look for the keyword IUPAC name. Okay, next: prolonged exposure of chloroform in humans. For this question the correct answer is option B, COCl2. Okay, next one: which of the following halide shows highest reactivity towards. For this one the correct answer is option A. For this question the correct answer is option D, 2. Okay, look for the keyword possible isomers. Okay, next one: which of the following on eating gives an ether as major product. For this question the correct answer for this question is option D, both P and Q. Okay, next one: the steps involved in the conversion of propane. For this question the correct answer is option C. Next question: which of the following is the strongest base? For this one option D is the correct. Okay, next for this diagram the correct answer is option C. Okay, next one: which of the following has the lowest boiling point? For this one the correct answer is option C. Next one: carbonyl compound. Okay, for this question the correct answer is option C. The next one: for this question the correct answer is option B. This is this one. Okay, next question: Innsbruck reagent is dash. I mean, for this one option B is the correct one. Okay, next question: which one of the following vitamins is not stored in adipose tissue? For this one option B is correct one, B6. Next question: hypothyroidism is caused by the deficiency of thyroxine. Next one: C1C4 glycosidic bond is not found in sucrose. Next one: which of the following polymer has strongest intermolecular forces of attraction? For this one pterylene. Next: which of the following monomers can undergo condensation polymerization? The option B is the correct, glycine. Next one: a food additive that acts as an antioxidant is BHA. Next one: which of the following is not related to drug enzyme interaction? Option B, antagonist. Okay, next question: 0.4 g of dihydrogen. Okay, for this question option B is the correct one. Okay, next question for this one option D is the correct one. Keyword photoelectric effect. Next question: the last element of the P block in the 6th period. For this question the option D is the correct one. Okay, next: the conjugate base of NH3 is The correct answer is option D. Okay, and the next one, a gas mixture contains 25% E and 75% helium. Next, and 75 for this question, the correct answer is option C, 92%. Okay, approximately. The next one, the percentage of S character, look for the S character in the hybrid orbitals of nitrogen. Okay, for this one, option C is 50%, 33.3% and 25%. Okay, the next one, the formal charge on central oxygen atom in ozone is D +1. Okay, next one, when the same quantity of heat is observed by a system at two different temperatures T1 and 2. For this question, the correct answer is option A. Okay, the next one, the oxidation number of nitrogen atoms in NH4 NO3 are -3 and +5. Next question, a Lewis acid X reacts with, for this question the correct answer is B2H6. Okay, the next one, the oxide of potassium that does not exist is option D, K2O3. Next one, the metal that products H2 with both the dilute HCl and NOH. For this question, the correct answer is okay, Zn. Next, amphoteric metals can react with both acids and bases. Okay, for this answer is okay, little explanation. Next one, which of the following is not a pair of functional isomers? For this one, option A is the correct answer. Okay, for this question, identify X, okay, in the following reactions. The correct answer is option B. Okay, next, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option C, O2. Next question, a metal exists as an oxide with formula. For this question, the correct answer is 8.3%. Next question, a metal crystallizes in face centered cubic structure. For this one, the correct answer is option B. Okay, 6.4. Okay, this one. Next question, silicon doped with gallium forms. For this one, option D, p-type semiconductor. Next question, the pair of electrolytes that possess same value. For this question, the correct answer is option B. Okay, next one, which of the following pair of solution is isotonic? For this one, option A is the correct one. Okay, next, solute X dimerizes in water to the extent of 80%. For this one, the D, 26 is the correct one. Okay, next, for this question, the correct answer is 1 into 10 to the power of 7. Okay, for next question, if an aqueous solution of NaF. For this question, the correct answer is option D, O2. Okay, next one, in which of the following cases a chemical reaction is possible? For this question, option B is the correct one. Okay, next question, the time required for 60% completion of a first order reaction in 50 minutes. For this question, the correct answer is option D, 150 minutes. Okay, next question, for an elementary reaction. For this question, the correct answer is option B, 3/4. Okay, this one. Next question, the rate constant of a reaction is given by. For this one, the correct answer is option C. Okay, this one. Next question, a sol of AgI is prepared by mixing equal volumes of 0.1 m. For this question, the correct answer is option D, solution obtained in the negative solution with this one. Okay, next, during adsorption of a gas on a solid, the correct answer is option A. Okay, guys, as I said, it's unofficial key answers. Okay, if any answer is wrong in this video, please comment it below the right answer. Okay, which help other students in finding out the correct answers. And also subscribe to KPSM for more information regarding KCET. Okay, thank you.